on in. We're at 714 Hill Street in Capitola. This is a darling little 3-2 property. I'm going to turn the camera around. Light here. Kitchen with tile floor. You might want to renovate. Nice glass door to the outside patio. It's just private. So this right here is the detached 2-car garage. Plenty of entertaining space right here. Dual pane window for the garage. Hello. And this lot line goes all the way up here. It's a sort of a triangular shaped lot. I'll share with you later. We've got a beautiful lime tree. Look at that. Oh. Down the hall, we have the 3 bedrooms. To the right is a well-lit, well-sized bedroom. Look at that. Another bedroom. And the third is, this is the primary bedroom